Today we're going to be reviewing Giuseppe Zanotti shoes, and I'm going to be letting you know if the price on the tag is worth it. And I'm also going to be giving you tips that'll help you make the right decision. The shoes are these beautiful jewel sandals. I got them a while back, but they truly gave me an insight into what I can expect with Giuseppe Zanotti, because I did buy another pair from the designer and I ran across the same issue. That issue being that the straps are a little bit too tight, the shoe is narrow, and then the toe box, I believe that's what it's called, where your toes go, well, that's a little bit too long. So if you have shorter toes, you're gonna come across the issue that the shoes, they're comfortable, they're fine to wear, but that area in the front, there's a little bit of room left, and I think they would have been more comfortable if they were maybe somewhere in the middle. So something that really stood out to me about Giuseppe Zanotti shoes is the quality of the shoes. These sandals have jewels all throughout, and then they have 3 straps. What I like most about the jewels is that they feel sturdy. I know they're not gonna fall off, and they are high quality. The entire shoe itself has really good high quality materials, and that's something that you like because you are paying a significant amount of money for the shoes. Now, you don't necessarily need to pay $1,000 or more on the shoes, or like in the high hundreds or mid hundreds. Instead, they have an official outlet. Just make sure it's the outlet that you're going to, and in that outlet you can buy the shoes for a generous discount. I'm talking about like probably like when I got them close to like 80% off, and you can get the same shoe. The only difference is that it's not something that's like the latest launch, but honestly, no one's gonna look at your foot and say, oh my God, that's like from 3 shows ago, like no one wears the shoes. No, if anything, I've always gotten very nice compliments because it's a shoe that you can dress up or that you can dress down. Now, when we talk about the straps, yes, it does have 3 straps, one in the front, one in the middle, and one that goes around your ankle. So it happened to me with another pair of Giuseppe Zanotti shoes that I bought, and I did find that the straps themselves are a little bit too tight, and you can't really bring the shoe, like the straps up so much because they're so tight. Like there's just so much that you can move the straps around. So that's like the only con, but other than that, I think I have thicker legs. The strap that goes around my ankle, that one I was able to securely tie it in place and it was fine. And then the first strap, the one in the front, well, it's comfortable. It's not something that's gonna hurt your foot or anything, but since there's like a lot of space in the front, that makes the shoe a little bit uncomfortable. I would have liked for that to be like maybe a little bit shorter. So Giuseppe Zanotti shoes, like I said, you can get them on the outlet or you can get them on the website. I believe you can also get them like Bloomingdale's, Saks. You might want to check out those websites, or what you can do is that you can go to the store and try them on for yourself. Just keep in mind that these shoes fall in the category of Christian Louboutin, Chanel. It's like really good quality materials and very refined and classy shoes. They are beautiful. All of the designs are beautiful, and I love the fact that they're shoes that still look good and that I can wear, and I know that they're gonna last me for a really long time. So I did definitely get my money's worth. So other than that, I think that the shoes are comfortable for sure. And I do think that if you're planning to invest in a designer, Giuseppe Zanotti should be one that you most certainly should consider. And I hope that this information was valuable. Last year, I went on a cruise and I uploaded content from the cruise, everything to the restaurants. If you're ever planning a cruise, I think this series is most definitely going to help you. I also have other cruise videos, and I know you can get some insights. I would love it if you guys would subscribe, and I will see you next time.